Ever heard of a bank that lets you ditch monthly fees and hidden charges? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the promise of fintech startups like Lunar, offering a new way to manage your money. But with all this talk of convenience and transparency, there's one question that keeps popping up. Can you actually withdraw your money from Lunar whenever you want? Let's dive into the world of Lunar and see if it truly lives up to its fee-free claim, especially when it comes to withdrawing your hard-earned cash. The rise of the fintech challenger. Gone are the days of brick-and-mortar banks being the only game in town. Fintech companies like Lunar are shaking things up with their mobile-first approach. They offer a variety of features, from budgeting tools to digital wallets, all accessible from your smartphone. But perhaps the biggest selling point? No monthly fees. So, how does Lunar work? Signing up for Lunar is a breeze. It's all done through their app, and you can be up and running in minutes. Once you're in, you can transfer money to your Lunar account from your traditional bank or top it up via a debit card. Easy, right? Now, here's where things get interesting. Lunar doesn't actually have physical branches. They rely on a network of partner ATMs for cash withdrawals. This might seem like a minor inconvenience, but it's crucial when it comes to accessing your money. The great ATM quest: can you withdraw cash? The short answer is yes, you can withdraw cash from Lunar, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Since Lunar doesn't have its own ATMs, you will rely on partner networks. This means you might not always find an ATM conveniently located, especially compared to traditional banks with extensive branch networks. Fees and limits, the not-so-free part. Here's where things get a little tricky. Remember that whole no monthly fees thing? Well, it doesn't apply to ATM withdrawals. Lunar charges a fee for every withdrawal you make outside their partner network. These fees can vary depending on the ATM provider, so it's always a good idea to check before you withdraw. On top of that, there are usually withdrawal limits. These limits can be daily, weekly, or even monthly. So, if you need a large sum of cash in a hurry, Lunar might not be the best option. Lunar, a great option, but with caveats. Lunar offers a fantastic alternative to traditional banking, especially if you're budget conscious and don't need frequent cash access. Their mobile app is user-friendly, and the no monthly fee structure is a big plus. However, the lack of physical branches and the fees associated with out-of-network ATM withdrawals are important considerations. Alternatives to consider. If frequent ATM access is a must-have for you, then a traditional bank with a large ATM network might be a better fit. However, if you're comfortable managing your money primarily through your phone and don't need instant cash access, Lunar could be a game-changer. The final verdict: Lunar for the mobile money mavens. Lunar is a great option for those who are comfortable managing their finances digitally and don't rely heavily on cash withdrawals. However, if instant access to cash is a priority, a traditional bank with a wider ATM network might be a better fit. Do your research, consider your financial habits, and choose the option that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.